Another fruitless visit to Baghdad's Central Criminal Court. Abbas and Widat's son Ahmed is a tuk-tuk driver and was detained in February while taking part in anti-government protests.
The charges against my son is that he blocked the roads. He didn't throw petrol bombs, he didn't even carry a mobile. He's a peaceful protester demanding his rights.
I don't know why he isn't being released. He has done nothing wrong. I just want to know his fate.
The judge has twice refused to release Ahmed on bail, but his parents hoped he would finally walk free after Iraq's newly appointed Prime Minister Mustafa al-Kadhimi promised to release detained protesters. But what was supposed to be a decisive move to mend rifts with the protest movement has turned into a political row. Iraq's High Judicial Council announced it would only release protesters if they had not committed any crimes. But that statement seems to be at odds with the new Prime Minister's orders, who said that all demonstrators should be released except if they were involved in bloodshed. This has led many to question the Prime Minister's authority to bring about change.
It's a political game. The Prime Minister ordered to release the protesters, but the judiciary is under the control of the political parties. There are powerful parties controlling the judiciary.
According to the Constitution, the Prime Minister has limited power over judges.
He can give advice to relieve the tension on the ground, to facilitate the judiciary processes. Otherwise, if we have anyone committed any crime or he have been charged, of course he cannot. And from the start, we say that if we have anyone who have been tried already or charged, it needs special amnesty law.
Adding more confusion, the judiciary issued a statement on Wednesday claiming that no peaceful protesters are being detained in Iraq's prisons. This has led Abbas and Widat to fear even more for their son's fate. They meet a lawyer in Tahrir Square alongside several other families. Isra Mohammed represents 15 detained demonstrators. None have been released since Kadhimi's announcement.
They're not complicated cases. All of them are charged under the same articles, which is attacking security forces with petrol bombs and vandalism.
The delay in delivering on his promises risks undermining the new Prime Minister's efforts to win over the public. It is also a sign of the challenges ahead, as he sets out to implement his program amid a deeply fractured political landscape. Simona, Foltyn, Al Jazeera, Baghdad.